Hello everyone, in a new tutorial. This one, I'm going to create a project about StockWise, Python Inventory Manager. Welcome to this presentation where I'm going to introduce for you a code that I built using PictoBlox Python. And this one is a basic tool for tracking your items and using different Python programming structure. Let's start by the first one is let's start understanding the core structure of it. At the heart of this programming code that I wrote, I started to use main functions like StockWise Inventory Manager. This one includes all the things that I need. And initially, I start with a while loop, which is a forever loop of type. And every time I'm checking the condition, whether he needs to add items or he wanna track what he has and so on. So this loop is going to give a continuous display to the main menu, allowing the users to select different operations. And it's a common pattern in integrative command line applications to ensure a persistent interface for user interaction. And I am trying to add new items at the beginning. So we will take it as a user input and we will have a type of list management. So I'm going to gather the input from the user and then I'm going to store the data. And I'm going to use tuples, which are immutable because this is an inventory. And then I'm going to handle duplicates. So if it was already exists before, I'm going to update the quantity that we have. So give it a try. So we are going to open our PictoBlox. And first, when we click run, here we have welcome to StockWise, your basic inventory manager. The main menu, you can add new items, you can update item quantity, display the current inventory, check for low stock or exit. So let's say at first I'm going to add items. So the item name is a keyboard. And I have actually 3 of it. If I need to add, this is what this one is added. I need to add another item, I'm going to write it and so on. If I'm done, I'm going to say done. Here we can get the new menu one more time. So I can update the item quantity. So I'm going to say 2. It's going to say enter the name of the item to update. I'm going to say keyboard. So we already have the quantity. So it should be, let's say 7. So now the quantity of the keyboard changes from 3 to 7. Now let's say I'm going to try to update item quantity. I'm going to write mouse. He is going to say mouse is not found in the inventory. So I'm trying to update an item that doesn't exist. So I want to display the current inventory. I'm going to choose 3. This one is going to show that we have an item name, which is keyboard, and the quantity is 7. Now let's check for low stock. If I set 4, enter the low stock, show the quantity. I'm going to say 2. No items found below the low stock threshold of 2. Now let's say 5 because I need to get out. And that's it. Goodbye. This is for how we run it. Now, if we took a quick look for the code, this is how I wrote it. You can find it on the description. And that's it. Thank you so much.